All right, again, dressing for another hot day here across the area. Still some of that late summer heat cooking 5 country here, but changes on the way. High pressure is starting to weaken, loosening its grip. We're seeing some changes in the way of rain chances first starting to pop back into the forecast, and then the cooler weather will eventually settle in as we go through the weekend into early next week. Highs today going to be in the upper 90s across the area. Again, some scattered clouds mixing in, trying to provide some shade at times. And again, we've got that rain chance coming in, 10 to 20% chance. I think the Boston Mountains have the best shot in northwest Arkansas. As we get into the River Valley, we'll go with a 10% chance of an isolated shower. Again, we could see one of those showers there in the southern half of the Boston Mountains, just north of the River Valley. Can't quite rule out one of those showers trying to make their way into the River Valley. And then we'll also watch the higher elevations of the Ouachita's. I think the higher elevations of 5 country kind of can help with that lift, that rising motion, maybe overall help us out with one of those rain chances. I think we should see a lot of upper 90s once again across the air, with a few spots getting into the triple digits in the River Valley up to 102 degrees. Fayetteville, 4 straight days you broke the record. Can we go 5? The record is 99. I've got you getting up to 99. So we may not break it, but if we tie it again, I mean, what a stretch here with this heat wave that is still ongoing across the area. Fort Smith fell a degree shy of the record yesterday. We're going to be right there near the record again today. Another afternoon, excessive heat warnings for all of 5 country. Feels like temperatures 105 to 110 northwest Arkansas. Have a better shot to be a 110 to 115 in the River Valley, and then 105 to 110 into the higher elevations of the Ouachita once again. Should see maybe tomorrow we get away from those excessive heat warnings and just talk about heat advisories, where we're not getting as high with our feels like temperatures in the afternoon. As we get into the afternoon again, right there in the Boston Mountains, higher elevation is going to try to kick up a few spotty showers. I do think we will see a few showers. My rain chances are low because I don't think everyone's going to see the rain. We'll also watch some of those chances down towards the south. Again, lightning and gusty winds you got to watch with thunderstorms. They can go up quickly this time of year, and those updrafts can collapse and produce strong winds. We'll look for those showers to decrease as we lose that daytime heating in the evening hours. Again, kind of focus the best chance overall right there on those Boston Mountains. Ridge is breaking down. It's starting to shift to the southwest. You can still see that clockwise motion. We're getting on the eastern edge of it now, and that's what's going to help with those rain chances coming back. But until it gets out of the way, our next front can't come in, which will happen as we go through the weekend into early next week. Again, you can see we've got some scattered shower chances coming in Sunday night into the first half of the day on Monday, and then you got some 80s, not just for northwest Arkansas, but the River Valley too.
80s.